Tesla's Cybertruck is finally ready, and Elon Musk says they are about to begin production. The Cybertruck has a sleek design that makes it stand out from other electric trucks on the market. And it comes with an impressive range of features. The electric vehicle of your dreams is a reality now. Here's what Elon Musk revealed during the recent Cyber Rodeo.
I think we're going to have an incredible Cybertruck product for you next year. It's going to blow your minds. And we can't wait to build this here and deliver them to you. Sorry for the delay. It's been an intense couple of years, but we're going to have this for you next year, and it's going to be great.
Why was the Cybertruck production pushed to 2023? How will the Cybertruck be manufactured? Stay tuned. We've got all the answers for you. Welcome to Elon Musk Videos. Here on YouTube, we upload videos about Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and more. First, let's talk about when we can get our hands on the Cybertruck. So, Tesla unveiled its Cybertruck prototype way back in 2019. At that time, Elon Musk said that he was looking to bring it to market by 2021. Well, 2021 has passed by, and what's really happening? Well, there have been a few delays in starting production. At first, Tesla was rather vague about when the Cybertruck would actually be released. Then, in 2021, during the release of its financial results, Tesla mentioned that Cybertruck production would start at the Texas Gigafactory after Model Y went into production. Tesla stated, "We are also making progress on the industrialization of Cybertruck, which is currently planned for Austin production subsequent to Model Y." But that has also a rather vague timeline. Then, the company shocked everyone when it revealed that the truck was delayed until 2022. But the issue is that there are a lot of eyes on the Cybertruck delivery timeline, not only because of the popularity of the electric pickup trucks, but also amid the current race to bring electric pickup trucks to the world. Tesla made a huge promise when they announced the Cybertruck. The sales pitch was, quote, "better utility than a truck with more performance than a sports car," end quote. People had greeted the news of the Cybertruck with a lot of excitement, but they were worried when the Tesla website order page for the Cybertruck gloomily informed everyone that configuration options for the truck would be available only when production nears in 2022. That meant there were further delays in store. People who were looking forward to upgrading to an electric truck were wondering what was taking Tesla so long. There is no cause for concern. Elon Musk is someone who always delivers. Now, Elon Musk has revealed that the Cybertruck will start production in 2023. Everything is in place and the design has been locked. Let's, in fact, hear what Elon Musk said during an interview with the Tesla Owners Club of Silicon Valley.
The design, at least, finally is locked, and we're...
For sure locked?
Yeah, it's locked.
In addition, Elon Musk stated, "It will be a special project, like a glitch in the Matrix, like if Neo had a car. And we just need to wait until 2023 for this particular glitch in the Matrix." Media reports also tell us that earlier in 2022, new Cybertruck prototypes were spotted being tested by Tesla as well as being used for promotion at events. It is just amazing that we finally have some progress on the Cybertruck, which is one of the most anticipated new electric vehicles right now. Now let's look at why the Cybertruck was delayed. Firstly, Tesla has made numerous revisions to the design of the Cybertruck. Elon Musk promised a product that would change the world, and Tesla wanted to deliver on that promise. So here were multiple instances where Tesla took into account feedback from the general public and data from its testing to make modifications to the body and systems of the Cybertruck. At present, the Cybertruck can accommodate a toolbox, spare tire, and a Cyberquad and still have room to spare for your needs. Cybertruck owners will have around 100 cubic feet of exterior, lockable storage in the underbed, frunk, and sail pillars to store their shopping, camping gear, or luggage. Secondly, Tesla faces numerous challenges when fine-tuning the truck's steel exoskeleton body. One of the key design ideas was to ensure the exterior was durable and could guarantee passenger safety. So, Tesla went about creating an exoskeleton that was nearly impenetrable. Every part of this structure is designed for superior strength and endurance. Further, Tesla decided to use premium materials like ultra-hard 30X cold-roll stainless steel structural skin and an innovative Tesla armor glass. Now, this body required the creation of a completely new manufacturing process replete with new robotic machines and assembly lines. The Cybertruck has a timeless, futuristic look, and Tesla is not cutting any corners when it comes to that. Thirdly, Tesla faced some delays when incorporating innovative features that would make the Cybertruck stand out. Its all-electric design ensures the truck is known for its strength, speed, and versatility. Some of the incredible features that Tesla has incorporated include a powerful drivetrain and rear-wheel steering. In addition, the vehicle has a low center of gravity, which means you will get extraordinary traction control and torque while driving. So you can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 96 kilometers per hour in as little as 2.9 seconds. In addition, the new and improved battery gives the truck up to 500 miles or 800 kilometers of range. Elon Musk confirmed that the Tesla Cybertruck is going to have four-wheel steering. Musk stated, "We're adding rear-wheel steering, so it can do tight turns and maneuver with high agility." Moreover, Tesla has created an innovative adaptive suspension. Tesla stated that the suspension could be raised or lowered by 4 inches in either direction. This allows easy access to the compartments of the Cybertruck. Further, the vehicle has self-leveling capabilities that adapt to any occasion and assist with every job. Elon Musk says that Tesla is updating the air suspension to have even more travel for off-roading. He revealed in a tweet, "We're working on increasing dynamic air suspension travel for better off-roading. Needs to kick butt in Baja." The fourth reason why Tesla had to delay the production of the Cybertruck was that its research and development facilities were affected by the pandemic. In addition, the subsequent shortage of chips affected the entire automobile market. Production of the Cybertruck was also stalled because the companies making the robots and machines that would build the Cybertruck were also badly affected by the pandemic and the global chip shortage. Further, Elon Musk wanted to offer an option where you can embed solar cells on the retractable cover, but the production of these solar cells was also delayed due to the chip shortage. In such challenging circumstances, it is amazing that Elon Musk has been able to guarantee that the Cybertruck would go into production in 2023. We hope that there aren't too many more delays in Cybertruck production. Already, competitors have swooped in and captured the attention of potential buyers. Since the Cybertruck's debut in 2019, 2 electric pickup trucks have hit assembly lines with more on the way. The Rivian R1T is currently the quickest pickup truck on the market, and it's an off-roading beast. The Ford F-150 Lightning has amazing utility. GM's first electric truck, the Silverado EV, is also on the way. So Tesla should be ready to deliver the Cybertruck at least by 2023. Next, let's look at how the Cybertruck will be built. Elon Musk plans to build Cybertrucks from Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and Giga Texas. So the demand in North America will likely be met by the facilities in Texas. The Berlin factory will take care of Europe, and Shanghai will meet the demand from the rest of the world. Tesla has designed and created some incredible pieces of machinery and advanced robots that will be involved in the manufacture of these Cybertrucks. Media reports tell us that the machinery and new systems for the production of Cybertruck powertrains has been ordered from German manufacturers. These manufacturers have already supplied components and machinery to Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai. The needed machines for the Gigafactory Texas are reportedly being built and are expected to be deployed around early July 2023. Tesla will then be able to manufacture at least 750,000 drives per year in each factory. Apart from these reports, the Italian die-casting machine manufacturer IDRA has revealed that it has developed a new 9,000-ton GigaPress machine for Tesla. Elon Musk confirmed on Twitter that the GigaPress would be used for the Cybertruck's body and that Giga Texas would soon receive this machine. Though the die-casting machine is ready, it will take several more months to deconstruct it, prepare it for shipping, and then finally reassemble it at Giga Texas. Given that timeline, there is a good chance that Tesla is on track to begin production in 2023. And that's a wrap. Is the Tesla Cybertruck the vehicle of your dreams? Are you going to pre-order a Cybertruck? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and more.